You guys got a giant great white.
Oh my
I don't think anything could ever top this. Well, it started off as a slow day. We got a bite as we were fishing for bait fish, and we started to reel it in a little bit, and it just took off.
That's not enough.
Guys, this is a great white. This is like the most sought after fish in the ocean.
So I was a little bit nervous. Like I don't know if I want to go up against a shark, but it did make me really excited.
130 incher, guys.
Can we touch her?
Hey, I got 20 years in the business, and this is the first time.
We're from Massachusetts, so we only have myths and mysterious monsters of great white sharks from Cape Cod. So this is just so unbelievable. They're not going to believe it, but they'll see it on the news, so they'll have to believe it.